The Central Institute of Fisheries Technology is working under the Indian Council of Agriculture Research under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The turtle excluding devices, which has been a mandatory requirement, especially in line with the MPEDA. Okay, when we are exporting shrimp to US has clearly told that all the trawlers should be fitted with turtle excluding device. So CIFT TED has been developed, designed in this angle, and we have been popularizing this, giving this technology to the fishermen. The US also is in the process of modifying this design. We are working very closely with NOAA of the US and in association with MPEDA. So we are going to work in this line and see that we comply with the regulations of the importing country. Okay, then that is regarding the harvest. When I come to the post harvest, CIFT is the first institute. I think what I remember is the first consignment of export happened in this institute. Okay, now after that, because of the technical guidance given by CIFT, the seafood industry has developed. Of course, they have now a major force in the country. That is actually evident from the seafood exports. We have such an enormous growth in the seafood sector. And if you're talking of seafood exports, you see the amount of foreign exchange we are earning in the country. So all that has been possible working in line with the along with the other ministries, whether it is the Department of Commerce and also the Export Inspection Agency and MPEDA particularly. We have been handholding them, working with them in establishing the seafood processing plants, giving guidance for establishing, and also another major where we are working with the seafood industry and also with the MPEDA is testing of all these seafood exports. Whatever products which we are exporting, we are importing, CIFT has got excellent facility for testing, and all our laboratories are accredited by ISO 17025, wherein we have nearly 330 parameters under the scope. In addition to that, CIFT has been developing technology for value addition. That is another major area where we are working with MPEDA. We are talking of where our seafoods are, we are still exporting the raw material, and elsewhere some other country is adding value and re-exporting to some other country and realizing more. So where we need to have more focus. In that way, CIFT is working very closely with MPEDA. We had a separate project with MPEDA wherein we assessed what should be done, what should be our strategy in improving the value addition. So we are helping the vessel development, appropriate craft designs, energy optimization in the harvest sector, and coming to the post harvest sector, giving value addition, reducing the post harvest loss is another area. Really 15-20% of the catch which is harvested is lost during the whole value chain. So we have appropriate technologies for reducing these post harvest losses also. In addition to that, MPEDA is also having an ambitious program in line with the aquaculture development. So we do have programs, we have scientists, we have labs wherein we are also ensuring aquatic health management. Okay, we are developing, working on with the giving biotechnological tools, identifying methods for rapid detection of the pathogens, viruses. So we extend that facility also to MPEDA. So we are actually working in line in collaboration with MPEDA so that the sector is getting the benefit from the research outputs of the institute and also the developmental agency like market promotion agency like MPEDA.